Hey everyone, this is Sharon from sharonatsea, and today I am back with another review. A company named Becko contacted me and sent me this cool little jewelry travel organizing case, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Alright, so it comes in a nice little dust cover here, and it comes with a little pamphlet here that tells you what everything, all the little areas inside, what they're for. So I'm going to open it up and show you a little bit of what it looks like inside as well. It's very, very compact. It's a great size. It is 26 by 17.5 by 6 centimeters. So anyway, so let's open it up. It has double zippers here, so it has dual zippers so that it opens up, it will open up flat. So let's take off, it has a little foam inside and some little things. Okay, so let's see. So anyways, it has a nice flannelette covering throughout the whole thing. It's very soft, so it won't damage any of your jewelry. It also has like a PU leather on the outside. It's very soft and durable. It also can hold everything. It'll hold your rings, your necklaces, bracelets, watches, earrings, just about any jewelry. You can even put some hair accessories in it as well if you'd like. So now let's take a look inside. So when we open it up, we have, let's see, this side here. I'm trying to hold it up close. And there's several of these here, and this will hold. This is for your necklaces. Let me get it a little closer. So you can just pop these open here, hang all your necklaces from it. It also has a little strap here and another little pocket here. There is a side zipper right here, which you can open up to put, you can put even watches or things down there, even your hair accessories, things like that. Then over on this side, you have this little area that snaps open. Has all these little holes in it. I don't know if you can see them, but you can put little earrings and things in there, maybe some pins, things you want to just keep in there tight. It also has two of these that pop open. You can slide all your rings on them. And it has this center area, which has two zippers on this side and also two on this side, and there's 4 compartments on this side and 2 larger ones on this side. And the cool thing about this is it detaches and it will come out and be a separate piece if you like. So maybe if you just need to take a couple things on a trip, you can just pull this out and use this to stick some little maybe valuables or incidentals in and take with you as well. So that's a great little feature that it includes. So let's pop this back in here. And it also comes in black. This is, like I said, a creamy white. So anyways, this is a great little travel case for all your jewelry. It's made by Becko. It's great. It will keep all of your jewelry from being all tangled up and knotted, which will cause you a lot less headaches when you're traveling. Let you enjoy your vacation. So there you go. If you would like to purchase this or like to find out more, you can purchase this on Amazon, and you can purchase it also through my affiliate link at amazon.com/shop/sharonatsea. And there you go. Until next time, happy cruising.